How to reset or restart your Roku TV just from your remote or from your device. So let's focus on the steps here on the official website to a system restart. Turn off your Roku device and then it turns it on back. This may or may not correct any problems. Since Roku streaming stinks and box do not have an on-off switch except for the Roku 4, this is the only way to restart the Roku. Using your Roku's remote control, here is how to initiate. From the home screen, go to the system and then scroll down, click System Restart. There, select System Restart and reset your account or your Roku TV. Wait a few minutes for Roku to turn off and turn on, then show you home screen. Check to see if the features you were having trouble are fixed now. So this is about how you can reset it, because there is no direct option, so you should restart your TV. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching this.